Well, hello, I'm Sherwin. Thank you so much for coming to my channel to learn this dance called Blame's on You. This is choreographed by Rob Holly. It is a high improver dance, 32 counts, one tag with a restart. And it's to the song called Blame by James Johnston. I think I already said high improver. And so I'm going to give you this tutorial, and my lovely assistant Scully is right in the middle of the floor today. And we'll see. He looks very excited, doesn't he? We'll see how long he lasts there. So I'm going to dance a little off center so that I try not to step on him, and we'll see what happens. You ready? You good? Look how excited he is. All right, here we go. Right leg is going to start with a hitch and a lift. Hitch, step back, long step, drag your heel in into a coaster step, left, right, left. You're going to rock forward on your right, rock, recover, open up that shoulder because you're going to do a half a turn on the right, and then take 3 little runs, run, run, run. Okay? So it looks like this with counts, nice and slow. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, right foot, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so that rock recovers over your right shoulder, and it gets you to 6 o'clock after your runs. The second count of 8, mambo, right foot goes right, left, mambo back, left, right, left, forward, quarter, cross, right foot, forward, quarter, turn, cross, to your right, step on the left foot, that's a quarter turn, the right foot's a quarter turn, and left. So you went one way and then the other. And I'll do it at this wall with counts, and then I'll flip it for you. Okay? So the mambo step goes on the right. We have 1 and 2, left foot, 3 and 4, right foot, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. You're at 9 o'clock on your left foot. Okay? I'm going to flip it so you can see my feet for the mambos and the crosses. 7, 8. We have right, left, right. This is 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? All right, so that was not the correct wall, but it lets you see. So that's 2 8s. We'll go back to the beginning, put it together for you. Here we go. Starting on the right with the hitch. 7, 8. You have hitch, drag, coaster, step. Rock, recover, turn, run, 7, and mambo goes 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, left shoulder, 5 and 6, right shoulder, 7 and 8. You're on your left foot. This next section is a little switch section, but we're going to change our wall as we do it. So you're going to do toe switches. You're going to go point, and as you step, turn a quarter. Point, step, point, step. Point, step, point, step. Okay? So that goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You turn when you're doing the right one. Then the heel switches stay here. Go heel, step, heel, and heel. And that's 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so that count of 8 starts at 9 o'clock. We have our right leg doing toe switches, 7, 8. We go point, step, point, step, point, step, point, step, right and left and right and right. That one's pretty easy. So now we're at 3 o'clock. We've got one more count of 8. Now on this section, we're going to do a body roll traveling back. You're going to take your right foot back, but you want to stay weighted on your right when you end it. So you're going to go roll back. Your left foot is free. Coaster step again. Back, together, forward, right lock shuffle, step, together, step, chase turn, so your right foot's going to stay where it is, left, right, left. All your weight is on your left foot to start the dance. So that last count, we just finished our heels, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. It goes 1, 2, a 3 and 4, lock 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? That's where it starts again. That's the 4 8s. The tag I'll show you in a couple minutes is just a jazz box, but you need to know where it goes. So let's go ahead and dance this dance 2 times, so we have a couple different walks, and then we'll come back and show you where the tag goes, okay? Here we go. Right leg, 6, 7, 8, we go hitch, step, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6, run, 7, mambo now, 1 and 2, again, 3/4 pivot, 5 and 6 the other way, 7 and 8, switch, right step, right step, left, heel switch, double tap, and we take the body, roll to the left, coaster step, a lock step there, sorry, chase, turn again, go 1, 2, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6, a 7 and mambo, 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6, 6 o'clock, point step, 12 o'clock, heel and tap, go back and 2, go left, go right, left, right, go step, turn step, brush. Okay? So that's the dance, the meat of the dance. Now at the end of wall 3, you're going to do a jazz box. And then instead of restarting the dance at the beginning, you're actually doing the bridge part of the music, which is the third and fourth count of 8. So after you do the jazz box, you pick it up on that. So if we do the whole dance at wall 3, right, let's just dance it once and add the jazz box, and I'll show you. It's good practice to do it again, right? 6, 7, 8, you have the hitch, step, 3 and 4, the rock, recover, turn, go, run, we do our mambo, 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, a forward and cross, now we do the switch, a point step, heel and tap, tap, roll that body, coaster step, right, left, right, now we're here, we go cross, back, side, together, and you pick it up at point step, heel and double. We go back and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Start the dance as usual. All right? So again, end of wall 3, it'll be here, and then you pick up the last 2 8s, which will also get you back here to start it again. Okay? And then you dance the rest of it just like that. Okay? So, by the way, I never remember to say this, but at the end, when you are looking at this on YouTube and you look at the description, if you hit the more so you see all of it, I always put the step sheets on all my videos so that you can look at the choreographer's step sheet. So all you need to do is look at the description, hit the more if you want to see the step sheet. It's always there. And I always forget to say that. And don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to do this with music. I'm going to turn around and we will get started.
Wasn't ready for this that night.
Rock it and walk it out. Here's mambo.
Damn, bust down the door and they sing you out and walk.
Switch it out.
Girl, you got me losing my mind.
Body roll.
And I'm buzzing like that cold
Lock triple.
sign.
Turn it. Here we go, brush. Sorry about that. I messed that up.
See you ready to roll.
Now we're coming to our tag. Jasper, you hear it? Switches.
Girl, it's almost
Last 2
closing
days.
time. And I bet your lips just taste like salt and lime.
Beginning, here we go, what?
Walk in the pouring storm, blame it on the bang, playing 2 sad songs. Blame it on the dance floor, calling your name. Tan legs spinning, just doing your thing. Girl, it's true, I'm stuck on you like a wise on your moves. The way you
We stopped the music a little early, but it's all good. I wasn't quite there. I hope you guys like that. It kind of had a sudden ending. That was so much fun. I love the rhythms of it. I love the song. This is the same artist who did Race Like That. So a lot of fun. Again, this was choreography by Rob Holly. Thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel and subscribing. I really would appreciate it if you guys would like the video. I love comments. I love you sharing it. It feels great, and I so much appreciate it. I've been meeting a lot of people, and that's really fun. This is a newer dance, at least as we're putting up right now. So make sure you spread the word about it, okay? And Scully, do you want to say anything? Because you were really still. Want to say goodbye? Bye, everybody. Thanks for coming. See you next time.